Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1 and you're going to ask a number of different questions. Yeah.
Do you live in the city or in the village?
Just slow down. Do you live in the city or in the village? Repeat.
Do you live in the city or in the village?
Good.
I live in city, and I feel so comfortable to live here. As in villages, the roads and the streets are unpaved, and the sewage system is not good. So comparatively, I live in city, and there are too many facilities which love to which I love to avail.
All right. This is good. A comparatively word was not appropriate. You should say, in fact, I live in the city where I avail all these facilities. So to answer your question, I am a city dweller.
Okay.
When you use the word dweller, examiner will say, oh my God. Okay? So that will give you good bench score. Good job. Overall fine. Let's go on.
Is your hometown a good place for people to live in?
Well, I think it's a good place for people to live in because it has all the facilities like a park over there and clean water and everything which a human need. It basically provides everything. So it's a good place to live for humans.
Yeah, so I believe it's a very good place for the people to live in. Something like that, okay? All right, one more question.
Do you often eat out?
Yeah, I love to eat. I love to eat food out. Sometimes usually I eat food out with my friends, and sometimes I like to eat with my family. But I mostly prefer to eat with my family. So, in answer to your question,
To answer your question.
I would like to eat out.
5 times you use the word eat. So what we call it repetition. It
Repetition,
doesn't mean you don't use the word eat, but it means you need to use other words. How often do you eat out? Was that the question? Yes. Now for eating out, you can use the word dine out.
Dine out, okay.
One thing. Second, you can say, I often have my lunch in the cafe or in the restaurant. Have is also replacement for eat. So use a variety of words and don't go into repetition mode. I often eat out, sometimes I eat at home, sometimes I eat outside, sometimes I eat with my friends, sometimes I eat without my friends. So eating is very important. So just try to come out of this repetitive pattern, and every sentence should explain the previous one in different direction. In 4-5 sentences, demonstrate good vocabulary, good ideas, and there you are, right? Your English is good, just need to work hard with your, vocabulary stuff.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.